What's up, YouTube? So my plan here, I'm about to get a muffler delete done on my 2018 Charger Daytona. Just wanted to give y'all a before and after video just so you can know how it sounds. I like the active exhaust on the regular like stock, but it's not loud enough for me. So here we go. So that's the before sound. I'm about to go into the muffler shop and see what they can do for me. Try to get this thing off, and I'll be right back with y'all. So this is the first ride I'm taking with the mid muffler delete. Sounds crazy. Huge difference compared to the active exhaust system. This shit sounds crazy. I'm on the highway right now, so might be a little bumpy on it. But yeah, really happy that I did this. So hopefully I got more content for you guys later on in the future compared to what I'm gonna do next. For sure I need to start modding my car. Just real happy with this mod. I'm telling you. Yeah, that's that. Alright, till next time, YouTube. See y'all later. Like, subscribe, comment on the bottom. What do you guys think about it? Yeah, see you guys next time. Peace out.